How to write a journal on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to write a journal on Word app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So as you can see, this is the home page of the Word Microsoft. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this plus icon, and now it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is just go down until you find write a journal option. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now here you can change the title, for example how to, and you can change the photo also. And after you finish, all what you have to do is click here in the top corner on those three dots and click save. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.